Hello all. In this video, I am going to explain this 3D model in Fusion. So let us assume this is as our front view of the diagram, and let's say this is our side view of the diagram, and let's say this is the top view of the diagram. Now the most detailing part that we can see in the side view. So let us start drawing in the side view first. In the side view I can see initially I can take this as small rectangle of dimension 25 by overall length is 75, but here 25 gone, so this value will be 50. So first I can start drawing by a small rectangle which is of 25 by 50 mm. So later on I can draw one more rectangle which is 25 by a 25, because height is not going to vary and it will be 25 and this will be 25 here. So and then we are going to draw one small square here at the center like this. Now after making this we have to draw small sketch something like this, and we need to extrude this as one level, and we need to do extrude for the other level here also. So let us start drawing in the Fusion software now. Now go to Fusion, create sketch in the side plane. Now start drawing from a rectangle of height 25 by 50 mm. Okay, fine. Now draw one more rectangle which is 25 by 25. Sorry, it's a square. 25 by 25. Okay, it's done. So next step. Here, draw one line as shown here, and let's check the height here. The height is 10 mm. Okay, and the distance here to here it's measuring 10 mm again. Draw one more line, or the easy part is we can take one center line, convert this into a construction line, and the distance here to here, let us see here in the diagram once, there is a gap of 20 mm, so the mid value will become 10. So at a 10 mm create one center line. Okay, now we can see here there is a one more line here at a height of 15 mm, create a line of 5 mm. 5 mm, and the distance here to here it will be 15 mm. Now take a line command and join these two endpoints. Now use the mirror command, select these three lines and mirror it with respect to the center line and click OK. Now go to trim command, trim these two lines. Clear? Now draw a rectangle inside this small rectangle, measuring the distance 10 by 10. This is 10 mm and this is also 10 mm, but it is having this vertical distance as 8 mm and the horizontal distance as 7.5 mm. Here to here it is 8 mm, and base to here it is 7.5 mm. That's it. Now click on finish sketch. So we had small chamfer to create here also. We can go to chamfer, equal distance chamfer for 5 mm and click on finish sketch now. Go to the home position. Observe the diagram carefully here. We have this as one part and this is as other part. Now extrude this part, which is a bigger one, of dimension 30 mm but create a symmetric extrude how we have did for the other problems. So extrude this for 30 mm, direction one side to symmetric, overall distance, or else half distance if you want to give 15 mm. The total distance will be 15 one side and 15 on the other side. Click OK. Now go to the sketch, turn on the sketch. Now check for this distance. This distance he has given us 10 mm. Extrude this object, this sketch, for 5 mm on either sides. One side change into symmetric. So the total distance will become 5 plus 5. That will become our 10 mm. Orient to the home position, turn off the sketch. Now save this experiment as experiment number 11. That's it. And thanks for watching. And projections you can generate because we have did the projection problems multiple, so you can generate the projections.